Hi guys, I'm in the countryside right now. I just arrived here. Look, the banana is so big now. I'm here because I'm going to fetch Mama and Papa. I'm going to bring them in the city this weekend because we will be having a simple family dinner. We will be celebrating Nicole's 15th birthday in the city. So that's why I'm here to fetch them. Look at the banana. It's so big na. Kobe. Jumbo, dali na Jumbo. Dali. God, it's raining, guys. Let's go and fetch Mama. Wala, it started to rain na. Oh my gosh. A roasted chicken with me to share with the family. Hi! Alvin is also here. Hi! Kuya Ultra is here. Dali! Ha? Tagay sila ginana dito oh. Tagay sila kanina di ba butsi? O kanyang kani oh. Hello. Hi King. How are you doing? They're so happy. Ay, lagi na si King. Excited. Taon na mo, ano ko? Uy, magpaakan ka ng iro. Hey guys, update for the puppies. Uy, there's a lot of mosquitoes here. They're so big na oh. These are all male. Hello, you're so big naman. Jimmy is cleaning the area. Jimmy is cleaning. It's clean na there. Oh. Kapoy ko guys. Piso guys. Oh. Lami?
Dagkuha ni di magikan.
Nagsuroy. Hindi patilaw.
Lami ay. Dagku kayo.
Lami no? Ay saging.
Ayun, wala magkuhan. Saging.
May saging sa sulod.
Saging no?
Saging.
Huwag nilustak.
Ako, ito na ito sila dito. Kikik! Naikok dito. Kuha ka. Ingna. Duha man to kabok. Kuha ang isa ka coke. Hi. Hi vlog. Nasi Alvin diri guys.
Sa GR no?
Bachak. JR.
Wala.
Siya sila tuba. Hala, dagko na ang mais. Update sa mais. The corn is now big guys. Ah. Hala. It's tall na. String beans are also tall. Siya sila tuba. Uy, kay kamama nanti para ako ah. Mama na no. Magaras na. Nara dito ng isa. Pangaon na mo kanon ma. Nalitsyon manok dira ma.
Ano naman sila diha no? Ha? Ay, di kuha na kukuan. Kuha ng pakpok din niya. Ano? Ano mo din niya? Nganto. Bako gidayon na nga kuan.
Nataya na ba na kita among dito ko? Ko man gamit ka siguro.
Abi na nakita.
Dito sa among kitabaw anyaw ko nga dito sa dapli.
Naa?
Ko nga
Kuan niya.
kita nila. Ko nga na ba ko gini gamit to. Nataya na lang.
So guys, Jimmy will be left here for a couple of days. I just bought him some supplies that he can use over the weekend, like cooking oil, biscuit. I also bought some fishes and some canned goods and meat for him. Some canned goods. Oh, there's plenty of coffee pa naman here. You said wala na kayong coffee pero madami pa palang coffee. I bought coffee and then sugar. Yeah. We have Milo, guys, for Jimmy. Soy sauce. Dara ang mga sabon diri od ha. Ano? Some detergents. Ma! I have something for you. I have something for you.
Ay, sana.
Mango tapioca.
Ay, kalamin.
Sweet.
Wala din manindikan.
It's mango tapioca sweets. Yummy.
Gapag sulanan ay.
That's 70 pesos kaya.
Dami no.
Dami. Yummy.
Dami kayo ay.
I'm just gonna chill here for a few hours.
Nanuroy mo sa binulig.
Wala, oy.
Daghan po na